Have you ever considered what is your baby's first immunization or vaccine ever? You might probably tell me it is the hepatitis vaccine or the oral polio vaccine. Well, it's not. It is the first milk, or also called as the colostrum, the first thick yellow milk, and this is the baby's first immunization or vaccine ever. Welcome to Healthy Beginnings Initiative. And I am Hilda, your lactation counselor and your transformational genomic wellness consultant. And today on this video, I am super excited to share with you about colostrum, which is the first milk that the baby has and that can ever receive in its first days of life. Now, colostrum, it is thick, yellow, and it comes in very small amounts, such as almost 5 to 7 ml each time. In fact, colostrum is also present almost from 7 months of pregnancy onwards. Certain mothers they can experience a surge or a dispatch of a yellow color milk right from 7th month onwards. Certain moms even start collecting this milk so that they can keep it for their baby once they deliver. So, even if I have babies who are prematurely born, there is milk for all babies. Sometimes certain practices might delay the start of the colostrum, such as a cesarean section, but milk is always available and it's there for the baby. So, now more about this colostrum. This colostrum is present for almost 3 to 5 days after the baby is delivered, and after that, this would be finished and it would transition into the mature milk. So, this is a limited offer in which it's available for only 3 to 5 days post delivery. More about the colostrum. Colostrum is rich in antibodies, immunoglobulins, and growth factor. It makes it the perfect food that the baby requires during the first 3 to 5 days of life. In fact, this colostrum comes in very small amounts, such as only 5 to 7 ml. In fact, this is very much sufficient for the baby each feed because the size of the baby's stomach is just like a size of a cherry. That small. So sometimes the moms might think, is my milk sufficient? Yes, your milk is sufficient because the baby's stomach is very small as a size of a cherry. And each feed and with each time the baby comes to the mom's breast, it signals the mother's brain to start producing more milk. So gradually with every feed, the amount of colostrum keeps increasing and improving over the period of 3 to 5 days, which it gradually transitions into the mature milk. Also, this little amount of colostrum, since it's very thick in consistency, it goes down the baby's oral lining, and it covers the lining and starts protecting the lining. And there is also the presence of good bacteria in this colostrum. So once it starts going inside the baby's oral cavity and the lining of the gut, the good bacteria starts attaching to the walls of the lining and starts growing. So this makes the first line of defense of protection for the baby. This is where the baby gets its first protection or immunity lifelong for his health. Also, since the colostrum is thick in consistency and it comes in little amount, it helps to push the meconium out from the baby's gut, and thus it helps to reduce jaundice for the baby. So even tiny amounts is enough and every drop is precious. That's why it is even called as liquid gold. If someone has to sell this in the market, it would be the price of gold because it's that valuable and that precious. So don't let anyone tell you to throw away your colostrum because it's your liquid gold for your baby. And it's your baby's first ever most precious medicine and vaccination and its immunization. So, this is the best thing you could give to your baby. If you found this video powerful, do share with your friends and family and do subscribe and hit the like and the bell button. And we will be here for more such amazing videos to help power you. See you in the next video.